Today, I've got an adorable and budget-friendly project that I couldn't resist sharing with you. I recently stumbled upon this charming chalkboard on a stand at Hobby Lobby, and I thought, why not make one for myself? So, that's exactly what I did. Begin by removing the back from your Dollar Tree chalkboard. It should come off pretty easily. Now take your tape measure and find the center on the back of the chalkboard. Use your square to draw a straight line down the center. Next, grab your trusty hot glue gun and run a bead of hot glue down that line you just drew. Now, carefully lay a wooden skewer into the glue. This will serve as the stand for our cute chalkboard. Now, here's where we get creative. I didn't have any large square beads like the original, so I improvised. I placed 5 beads, 2 measuring 12 millimeters, 1 at 18 millimeters, and then 2 more 12 millimeter beads. To give our chalkboard stand stability, I put this small piece of wood at the bottom of the beads, which will help us determine how long to cut the skewer. Moving on, let's find the center of our wooden block and mark it with a pencil. Grab a drill bit about the same size as your skewer and drill a hole right through the wood block. Make sure it's a snug fit. To give our project a polished look, use some sandpaper to smooth out the edges of the wooden block. It's a small step, but it makes a big difference in the final result. Now, let's bring everything together. Fill that little hole in the wooden block with hot glue and insert the end of the skewer. This will provide a sturdy foundation for our chalkboard. To add a touch of charm, tie a cute little twine bow at the base of the chalkboard. And just look at how stinking cute it's turning out to be. Now, here's where you can really make it your own. I used my Cricut to cut out this adorable saying that I thought was perfect for this project. You can customize yours with your favorite quotes, designs, or messages. And there you have it, folks, our Hobby Lobby duped Dollar Tree chalkboard stand. It's affordable, it's charming, and it's a great way to add a little personality to your home decor. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more creative projects. Thanks for joining me today, and until next time, happy crafting!